Today we had this Porsche Cayenne come into us with no drive. It was dropped off on the back of a recovery truck. Having been in a previous garage and had various works done to it, we received the vehicle in the same state as the previous customer dropped it off. It's displaying output speed sensor fault codes and has also had the valve body sent off to an external company before we'd received it to see if they can solve the problem. So getting the gearbox and the vehicle onto the ramp, we were able to perform live data diagnostics test on it, and we were able to see that the torque converter was not being driven via the pump. So although it's displaying an output speed sensor fault code, the reason why that is coming up is because there's input trying to come in, but nothing is coming out. So once we strip the gearbox down, we're able to see that the oil pump gears have let go of their lugs. Here's one that's broken. And here is the replacement part. These two lugs here locate into the torque converter, giving the gearbox drive and output around the back of the gearbox. So out with the old, in with the new, and the vehicle will be driving before the end of the day.